So this is a bead tray. You can get this at most bead shops, and it has measurements on it so you can see how long the necklace is going to be. For mostly custom orders, people want their necklaces a certain length, and it has little pockets in it to put all your different things, like so. You want to use that way your beads don't get all mixed up. And you have everything you need on one little tray. That way you can line up all the beads along here like this. And you can put the different colors, different objects, you can line it up yourself and figure out how you want to make the jewelry, design the necklace.